Today we're going to be doing a clean, undecorate for Christmas. I did film this a while ago, but I'm just getting around to editing it, and I was just wanting to take my time. And then we're going to do a redecorate. But I'm just going to jump right into decorating for spring. I just don't want to be bothered, and I'm ready for the spring flowers. I'm ready for the warmer weather, so we're going to just jump right into it. And I'm also like 90% sure that I'm going to be moving, so I want to organize all of my Christmas decor and get rid of the stuff that I'm never going to use again. I have a bunch of different themes. I don't need them all, and frankly, I don't want to have to store them all. So now I'm forced to go through all my decor and see what I no longer love and get rid of it. It's time to get rid of stuff. I'm trying to purge, I'm trying to declutter, and only keep what I absolutely love. I did things a little differently this time. Normally, I would take down like all of the Christmas decor first and then clean everything and then put this spring stuff up, but I am beat when I do that. It's just too much work. It's exhausting. So I just did like section by section. So like different areas of decor. So like this little area, took everything down, cleaned it, then put this spring stuff up. I just felt like it kept the momentum going and mixed it up a little bit. Probably makes no sense, but it worked for me. And I put in the description box all of the flowers and like the vases, everything that I can find, I will include down below in the description is what I'm trying to say. And then I will like link it in case you want to check it out.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Sometimes it's nice when you just leave up the flock tree because it looks pretty, right? Like it's winter, but it's just such a mess. Constantly vacuuming that up. And I'm working on coming up with a better system for this table because it's been like an art table where kids are like drawing and stuff, and I've just been putting everything into a bin. So I gotta figure something else out because I feel like it's just looking very messy and nobody wants to be looking at clutter all the time. And I'm watching this back and laughing as to why I decided to do a merry-go-round and go all the way around the table. Like, why didn't I just go straight? So just doing the springtime theme. These are like faux tulips that I got off of Amazon. They were so affordable and they look so real. They have a bunch of different colors and stuff. I'll try to link the exact ones that I have, but super easy to manipulate within the vase, and it just brings like that life and that light and that springtime flair. So I just decided to do pink, white, and blue for my color theme this year. I just wanted to keep it simple, not go crazy, and just pick things that I absolutely love and that I know that I'm going to be keeping.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I, carefree attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
I had like gingerbread houses and like a bunch of stuff on the counter. So there's so many crumbs and just crap. So I like to use that little shark hand vac. It works so well to just get up all the crap first before I go in and clean it. I'm using, this is the Miss Meyer's, I forget what scent, but I love all of their like limited edition seasonal scents. They're all so good. So I'm using my steamer to do the floors. I like to put a couple drops of essential oil in. This is like orange flavor. It smells so good. A lot of people say this is bad for the steamer. I've had this thing for probably like 7+ years and I've had no issues doing this. So yeah, I don't know. This one I got off of Amazon again a while ago, so they have better models, but this thing still works perfect and I use it a couple times a month, I would say. I like to switch it up between this and the Bona, and then I'll use the Swiffer with like the disinfectant pads. I'll use that in the bathroom because it's just easier. And somehow there's way too many water bottles again. I just decluttered a bunch a couple months ago. I have no idea what's going on or where they're coming from, but I gotta go through them again.
You only make you feel like you could never leave. Do the same, we can't go back. This is all we need. Follow me to make believe and make your dreams come true. This night means forever, and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along. Fall in love and tear it down as soon as we wake up. Promise you the world tonight, show you what I've got. Your body speaks my language and you read me like a book. This night means forever, and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along. You got me hypnotized, you make me realize, yeah. Just tell me, baby, who's that by your side? 'Cause
I'm in the home stretch here, so I'm just gonna vacuum up the living room area. I need to take all of the cushions off and vacuum underneath. I was gonna maybe take some of the covers off, but it's such a big job. I only like doing that a couple times a year, and I'm just over it right now at this point. So maybe I'll do that another day. Definitely need to do some carpet powder too.
I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. Just get it on. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. Little mama, you a PYT, dangerous. The way you call my EYE, shorty bad, made me wanna hit the rewind. See you run it back. I'm with you till I DIE. Baby, you could be my dirty Diana. You know I'm the only one that you really a fan of. Tell them other boys beat it. You are not alone, I'll be there long as you need it. So undefeated, you know why? Kiss but never tell, oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well and I'ma take you to the moon. So baby, here's the deal. Me and you should chill, cause the way you make me feel, I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way Girl, you my taste of heaven. Adrenaline get me so high, cause I get lifted when you come around. I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
Everything is done. I'm so happy. Back to a reset. I'm ready for spring, over the winter. I know it's kind of rushing it, but I just wanted to save some time. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.